Thank you, members of the press. We'd like to discuss a few issues, then open it up for questions.
People concerned about my stance on immigration, it's the best. It's real good. I believe in sturdy borders. And on the military, I love the military. We're gonna have the best one. The greatest you guys have ever seen. And on to jobs, you guys are gonna be so rich. You'll see. No more jobs in China. All right? Okay, now I'll open the floor to questions.
Yeah, Mr. Trump. Yeah, just a couple of things here. I was wondering, that I really appreciate my interpreter translating German.
Good for you.
Mr. Truck, I have just been shot.
You know, I was shot once too. It was the best shot ever. Like, I was shot, and it was great. Went to the hospital, best hospital ever.
Yeah, I've got a question for you, you commie bastard. Yesterday, December 7th, 1941, a day which will live in infamy, the United States of America was suddenly and deliberately attacked by the naval and air forces of the Empire of Japan. What do you have to say about that, Truck?
That's very sad. We'll deal with that when we come to it.
Oh, Mr. Trump. Yeah, just another thing. There's a lot of people who, just really don't understand.
I'm one of them.
Oh, the bullet's in me now.
You should probably take care of that, sir.
Listen, man, the United States was at peace with that nation, and after the solicitation of Japan, was still in the conversation with its government and its emperor, looking toward the maintenance of peace in the Pacific. Truck!
I'd just say nuke them. Nuke them all.
Yeah, I got another question. Just, let them come to Berlin.
You know, Berlin's a nice city and all, but they don't have a truck towers there, so I can't go there. I need to recharge somehow.
The bullet went through.
Again, sir, you should probably take care of that. I'm not a doctor. I know a lot of doctors, the best doctors, but I'm not one.
Last night, Japanese forces attacked Hong Kong! Last night, Japanese forces attacked Guam! Last night, Japanese forces attacked the Philippine Islands, Wake Island, and Midway Island.
Yeah, I wish I knew what you were talking about, but if there's no truck towers there, I don't know where they are. Because truck towers are the best.
Over here. Yes. I would like to say that just off the top of my head, that my fellow countrymen, they're many miles away, and so they're just they're wondering where
He shot to kill.
That's usually how I shoot, because I'm the best shot ever. And when I shoot, it kills. Thank you.
As Commander-in-Chief of the Army and Navy, I have directed that all measures be taken for our defense. But always will our role as a nation be to remember the character of the onslaught against us. What do you have to say about that, you
I have to say, nuke them again, nuke them a third time, and hell, just for the hell of it, nuke them a fourth time.
Yeah, just do one more. One last question. I would like you, to really pay attention to this, okay? I lift your eyes so that you can see today. What do you guys say to that?
It's great. My eyes are the best. They can see the farthest. They're the greatest. So thank you for that.
The bullet, it went in here. I'll show you.
Is that a truck brand shirt? Because those are the best shirts ever. They absorb bullets. If you were wearing a truck shirt, you wouldn't have been shot.
Okay, so with confidence in our armed forces, with the unbounding determination of our people, we will gain the inevitable triumph. So help us God!
God has nothing to do with it. I, Donald Trump, will make sure that our country is great. We're going to make improv great again. All right, well, thank you for all the questions. They've been the worst because I make the best questions. Donald Trump out.